in the afternoon you'll have kind of little projects, but you're Freudian dramatist called Augusto Boal.
Very useful, refreshing. I mean, before starting, I had some idea of what it would be like. I'd seen some videos on YouTube. What I liked about the first workshop was how easy it is for me to express myself. Maybe I didn't know that about myself, but there it is. I found it very easy to express myself, whether it's like facial expression, feelings, or describing a memory or anything. And what I want to take this to my class is make it easier for my learners to express themselves, like having a safe place, a safe environment in my classroom, so that they can talk, they can share together with me.